Okay, so the competition begins with Kuju on the left and Blessing on the right. So this is the rule. This is the rule for the game. You have to clean one letter to form new and existing word. So we begin with Kuju. Start.